In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the password manager on Google Chrome. If you've ever had trouble managing your passwords or simply want a more streamlined way of accessing your credentials, this guide is for you. We're going to walk through each step to help you navigate Google Chrome's built-in password manager with ease. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. This is your gateway to all the incredible tools and functionalities provided by Google. Once Chrome is up and running, head over to the top right corner where you'll notice 3 vertical dots, which is commonly referred to as the Chrome menu button. Clicking on this menu opens up a drop-down list with several options. Don't worry, this might seem like a lot at first glance, but it's actually quite simple once you know where to look. From this drop-down list, navigate down until you see Settings. This is where Chrome keeps all its customization options and where we'll find the password manager. Clicking on Settings brings you to a new page dedicated to all Chrome settings. You'll see a menu on the left side. That's our focus right now. Look for the section labeled Autofill within this menu. Chrome offers various features to make filling forms easier, and password management is one of these handy tools. Under Autofill, you'll find the Passwords option. Clicking here directs you to the Password Manager interface. This area is specifically designed to manage and store your passwords securely. You may be prompted to enter your computer's password or even perform a quick security check to verify your identity. This safeguard ensures that your passwords remain protected and accessible only to you. Now that you're inside the password manager, you'll see a list of saved passwords. Each entry typically shows the website or platform, your username, and a masked version of the password. If ever you need to check or edit your passwords, this is the place to do it. You can also add new passwords manually or delete ones you no longer use. Exploring a little further, you'll notice an option to toggle the Offer to Save Passwords setting. Enabling this feature means that Chrome will offer to save your passwords automatically whenever you log into a new site. This can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run, especially if you frequent a wide variety of websites. That's all there is to it. You now know how to access the password manager in Google Chrome. Remember, this tool is here to simplify your online journey, making it secure and efficient. Feel free to explore other settings and customize them according to your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay safe online and happy browsing.